Alright, so this is my bike check. I got a 2012 Kink Curb. I got a Mission seat post combo plastic. I have my animal seat, but I didn't put it on. I have Mission transit cranks. I think they're amber PC pedals. 2 steel pegs. S&M Grand Slam XLTs in chrome. Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. Odyssey Parens. Some kind of Mission front hub, but it's all together a Mission rim. And I think it's a Mission function cassette hub. And with a 9-tooth driver. Oh, and I got my stem, a Mission junction stem. I got Kink Volt forks. I got an unsealed American bottom bracket. I got like a little stock KMC chain. I got, what's it say? Decimal 25 sprocket. I think it's, 2 Canada contact tires. And a Mission seat clamp. Oh, and a standard headset. An Apple sticker. Animal sticker. An Odyssey sticker. And that's my bike check. Peace.